Hey guys, welcome back to 2-Minute Coder. Today we're doing Leetcode problem 230, which is kth smallest element in a binary search tree. Take a moment to pause the video and read the question. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to do a DFS, okay? And we're going to do a DFS down the left subtree first because we know the properties of a binary search tree. We know that the left child is going to be smaller than or less than the parent, and we know the right child is going to be greater than the parent, right? So if we are trying to find the smallest elements, we first have to traverse down the left subtree. I mentioned that we're going to be using DFS, so for that we need a stack of tree nodes, and let's push our root onto this stack and also keep track of a counter variable. All right, and while the stack is non-empty, first we're going to fill the left subtree. All right, so while root is not null, and root is only going to be null when we reach the leaf node, right? So that's why we have that evaluation. We push this root onto our stack, and we do root equals root dot left, right? So we're traversing down the left subtree. Then once we're done doing that, we pop from our stack. So root is equal to stack.pop, and every time we pop, we increment our counter, right? Because here we know that we're at the end of our left subtree, right? Meaning that we're at the smallest possible value. So every time we pop, we're finding a greater value, right? So every time we pop, we increment our counter, and if our counter is equal to k, I can just do this inline. We return our root value, right? Because you can see here in this second example, k is equal to 3 and we output 3. That's because in this while loop, we traverse down to 1, and from here, we pop 1, increment our counter, pop 2, increment our counter, and pop 3, increment our counter. And at this third increment, this evaluates to true, and we return the kth smallest value, right? But what happens if we haven't found the kth smallest element in our left subtree? Then we have to go to our right subtree, and we just do that as so, right? And because we have to keep a return statement at the end or outside of our while loop, we will keep return -1. But because there are no edge cases here, we are going to every single time return in this expression, right? So let's submit that. All right, great. So that was Leetcode problem 230. Hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe for more.